Hey YouTube, it's been on P7B and I'm back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be putting my new fender flares on. Those my old ones. They were too small. They were scrubbing against my tire. So I went and bought some wider ones. And I'm gonna be fitting them and cutting them. And this problem is they touching at the tire. They're touching at the tire, so I'm gonna find a way I'm gonna mark it and I'm gonna see where I wanna cut it at. So I'm gonna get back with y'all once I figure out the spot that I wanted, and so I can mark it. And I gotta make sure this shit right. Yeah, I think I want it about right there. It's a little crooked though. Once I straighten, but that's about where I want it. Let me go ahead and straighten this out so it could be straight. Alright, I just marked it up. That was gonna be my original cut, but I don't want to cut it too short because it really do look dope like this. It just touching my damn tire, man. I hate that. So I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna start off little first and just keep doing it like that until it's clear my tires. But it's gonna have to clear my tires by a good amount because, you know, me living in the country, bro, it's a lot of, man, it's just too much shit. It's a lot of dirt roads and shit. And I think eventually when I lower my shit, I'm gonna end up cutting my fenders, for real. Then I'm wondering, should I have it on the door? And I might have to somehow try to cut it maybe a little bit. I don't know. We'll see though. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm about to cut it. And oh yeah, I made some videos on me installing this fender too. And you see I took off all the stickers. But I just didn't post it, man. So my video is gonna be everywhere right now. It's just been cold out here. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all once I start cutting my fender. Yep, I gotta cut it some more. Where I normally was gonna cut it at. I'm just starting off small. I already done cut this much off. But you got I'm starting off small. But I don't wanna make a real long video, so I'm gonna get back with y'all once I cut this part off. Cut it. Okay, I think the front's gonna be a little different than the backs. I'm gonna cut the fronts a little different. I think I'm gonna leave the front like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave the front like this. And then when I go wider in the front, I don't know. Hopefully I have some different flares by then, I don't know. We'll see, but I think I'm gonna leave the front like this and I'm gonna do the backs different. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the other one. Yeah, I know my car dirty, but this is what I got so far. Once I start screwing them in like that and hold it, it's gonna look dope. But like I said, eventually I'm gonna cut my I might cut my fender. But from here you can't see it, so it's all good. And then once I lower it, you ain't gonna see it neither. It's a work in progress. But yeah, this is what I got so far in the front. And they look dope. And like I said, maybe the pieces that I cut, I can add them to make them go down here some way or in the front. Trust me, I just ain't gonna, let's see. I'm just not gonna throw them away. I know I can use them for something. I just wish I could have cut it all in one piece, like my original plan. I don't know. I don't know, I could figure something out. I don't know, I'll figure something out. I'm gonna get back in the lab and do some research, but I'm still trying to think how I'm gonna do the back. The back gonna be a little more difficult. Not gonna lie. The fronts is cool, I'm cool with the front. The front dope. Especially once I paint it and bolt it down, we good. Yeah, damn good. I'm just not sure about the back. I don't know. Then I gotta go to the store and get some screws, but let me figure out what I'm gonna do to the back and I'm gonna get back with y'all. I got the fronts completed. Now I'm about to see how I'm gonna do these backs, man. Backs is tricky. But my tires stick out far now. Tell you, man, brand new, fresh out the back. These screws came with it, but I'm not gonna use them. It's easier just to get some self-tapping screws. They work just fine. I got the black joints. quick. I got the black joints from AutoZone. They work good, they strong. You really don't even need no drill to put these in, and they strong as shit. But I'm gonna get back with y'all once I figure out how I'm gonna get this cut.